There are two kinds of people in the world: those who are dreamers and those who are being dreamed. Said by Alberto Villoldo. Take a moment to remember how you spent your time yesterday. What did you do? What could you have done better? Realize how, if you had some powerful intention, you could have accomplished a lot more. Your intentions work like a sharp laser and manifest things out of thin air. That's why you should use the power of intention to actively create your life instead of being created by it. The greatest people always create their life on their own terms. They don't conform to society and never give their power away. Tony Stark says, "Did you know Elon Musk has built a genius gigafactory?" The amazing part is that if we build 100 of those, we can supply sustainable energy to the entire world. Yes, he actually has a plan to save the world. That's how powerful intentions are. Of course, Musk is ridiculously talented, but he wouldn't have thought of going to Mars, bringing renewable energy to mainstream, and making electric cars without powerful intentions. He knows how to manifest dreams into reality. First, ground yourself into awareness. How can we do that? Meditate or deep breath for 5 minutes. First, you should stop running on autopilot. We need to step out of the tide of life for a while and really ground ourselves into awareness. In this field of awareness, we can easily tune in into our longings. Intentions work best when you're grounded and not in the place of fear. To ground yourself into awareness, meditate for a few minutes. You can also do deep breathing until you feel the stillness inside. Number 2, set a clear intention. And how to do that? Ask yourself, what do I really want? Once you are relaxed, you need to ask yourself about what you want. When you get the answer, you need to simply acknowledge the intention as it arises. It means simply focusing on the intention for about a minute. A simple test to see if your intentions are genuine is to see if they create any positive emotions. Genuine intentions are powerful intentions. If your intention doesn't evoke any powerful or positive emotion, it indicates that you don't want it deep down. Number 3, release it to the universe. And how can you do that? Have faith. Next, you need to release your intention. Intention always manifests from a place of abundance and positivity. If your mind is in a place of fear or lack, you won't be able to manifest what you want. For you to manifest dreams into reality, you must feel satisfied with the present. Synchronicity. Some call it good omen, others call it synchronicity. After you set your intentions, you would notice a sign. This is called synchronicity. It may come in the form of some new information, contacts, or money. You will find a new resource to fulfill your desire. That's how the universe says, "Got it." Amazing, isn't it? By using powerful intentions, you can create opportunities instead of becoming a product of your circumstances. You can manifest dreams into reality. These 3 steps, awareness, intentions, and release, can be done anywhere, anytime, and within a few minutes. Now that you know how to manifest what you want, go try this exercise. Go to a place with no distraction and start changing the course of your life. So what are your thoughts regarding this? Flood the comment section below with all your thoughts. I'll be glad to hear from you. Do like the video, share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.